Hey again, YouTube. It's been a while since I did these pristine 15 card packs from Dollarama. You got 15 cards in there for $1 a piece. I'll start with the Vladimir Tarasenko. Alright, Vladimir Tarasenko clear showcase. Sergei Makarov, old Bowman. Holik of the Devils. Benoit Hogue, New York Islanders. Canada Cup card. Oh, it's double-sided, is it? Oh, that's kind of neat. Michal Pivonka, old Upper Deck, Washington Capitals. Stephane Yelle, Calgary Flames, O-Pee-Chee card. Johnny Bucyk. Original 6, Boston Bruins. Jamie Mikael, Calgary Flames. Peter Stastny, Pro Set. Mike Bullard, Pro Set. Mikael Andersson, Parkhurst card. Stanislav Nekar, class of 94. Rick Kornakia, Oshawa Generals, and Zach Bucyk. Alright, that's pack 1. We'll go to pack 2 next. I bought this one because the first one's a black diamond card. Brandon Dubinsky, black diamond. That's a nice looking card. Ulf Dolan, Minnesota North Stars. Ryan Propp, Hartford Whalers. Then he was on Philadelphia. You guys remember that incident between Philadelphia and Montreal? Tom Barasso, there's a good card, man. That's an old one. 1984 tops. Tom Barasso. Cam Neely, the Bruins. Manny Fernandez, Minnesota Wild. Ken Baumgarten, New York Islanders. Ken Hodge, all rookie team, Boston Bruins. Todd Ellick. Thomas Vanek. Dave Gagne, Dallas Stars. Darren Turcotte, Hartford Whalers. Trevor Kidd, an old Pinnacle card. Ryan Merritt, North Bay Centennials. And last but not least, Alex Alex G, we'll put it at. How does that sound? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.